Welcome to John Sabia Real Estate. South Florida is one of the most exciting areas to live in the entire world. Whether you're looking for a prime location to raise a family or a destination that provides sun and fun, Fort Lauderdale is the place for you. The real estate market offers homebuyers a large selection of houses, ranging from ranch-style homes with swimming pools to estates on golf courses and breathtaking waterfront mansions. Choosing the right realtor is just as important of a decision to make if you're thinking about buying or selling. You'll need an experienced, knowledgeable, and dedicated real estate agent to guide you, answer your questions, and support you through the process. As a local Fort Lauderdale resident and experienced Coldwell banker realtor, John Sabia has successfully become one of the finest home specialists in the country. With over 24 years specializing in residential and investment properties, he is one of the most respected real estate agents in the industry. John specializes in selling residential properties in all Fort Lauderdale and Broward County neighborhoods. This includes exquisite luxury homes and townhomes, condominiums in some of the most coveted yachting, golfing, and country club communities in the area. He brings his professionalism, knowledge, and attention to detail to ensure your experience is stress-free. Working alongside John is his wife, Johanne, who joined in 2005. Born and raised in Quebec City, Canada, Johanne is fluent in French and works with many Canadian and European clients investing in Florida from West Palm Beach to Miami. Together, their mission is to provide you with exceptional service by utilizing the latest technologies and market research. If you're looking for the next qualified agents to represent your best interests and make your real estate transaction as easy and smooth as possible, John Sabia Fort Lauderdale Real Estate is for you. Visit our website to view all property listings for sale with photos, virtual tours, mapping, and more online at www.johnsabia.com. Call 954-850-2397. Don't miss this opportunity to turn your dream home into a reality.